To be is an infinitive, and to have a simple form it will be just be. To go is an infinite form of verb, and to have a simple form it will be go. And to have is an infinitive form and have is a simple form. But remember, with regards to the models, जो आप verb use करेंगे that will be in the simple form of the verb, not to like, it's just like here. Okay, so now furthermore, what about the questions with models? Now this means that after a model there can never be a continuous ing verb, which is also known as gerund form of the verb, verb plus s, or past tense or infinitive. So any of these will never be placed right after the model. सवाई आपके सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के आपने कोई और वर्ब की फॉर्म आफ्टर मॉडल यूज़ नहीं करनी. ना जीरन फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब विच इज़ ing continuous tense, ना वर्ब विद s, no past tense verb, no infinitive which is verb with 2. Another, there are two ways that a model can occur. Model with a simple form of the verb, would be, could be, will have, these we know, it's just modal verbs, would, could, will, these are all models, and the be is the simple form of the verb. Second ये है कि आप model के बाद have लिखिए